Part of it is the networking with other people who are passionate about this like I am. A big part of it is the learning, because that hill is getting steeper and steeper. And so there's a lot to keep up with. We're moving quickly in terms of technology and digitalization. Part of it is I come here to work. And so I'll speak, I will be a session chair, I answer questions at the booth for the Association of Asset Management Professionals. I received my black belt as a CRL, so it's a busy week for me. And it's December in South Florida. So there's no snow out there, there's no freezing rain. I've met people I've known for a long time and haven't been able to see in the last couple of years, face to face. Seen them on video, but face to face, shook hands with people, hugged some people, because it's just been, it's a very, this year, the difference, and I told Terrence this one's healing. We're all, and there are people that I know who wanted to be here, but either their organizations said no, or they're in another country, and there's a travel restriction either imposed by their country or imposed by our country, and not being judgmental of either one of them, they don't get to be here, and we do. And so in the next iteration that we do this, I believe they'll be here. But for the people that are here, for many of them, this is their first venture out. And they've tested the ground and they've breathed the air and they still like it. And I think there's a great healing that's taking place in people's lives who didn't even know they were sick.